We spent 3 weeks rebuilding the foundation, and today we talk about the fuel that keeps the work alive, and that's hope. Welcome back to the Rest Stop. This is Mike. It's Friday, and you made it. And not just through another week, you made it through another stretch of showing up when it was quite honestly easier not to. So today we're talking about something that leadership books don't spend enough time on, and that's hope. Hope isn't naive. Hope is a strategy. I mean, the biggest lie burnout tells you is this: nothing is changing. But that's not true. Most cultural change happens quietly. One conversation at a time, one boundary at a time, one new volunteer at a time, even one moment of kindness that melts tension instead of adding fuel to it. Progress rarely looks like a fireworks show. It looks like people breathing easier. Hope reminds you that even small steps are still steps forward. Without hope, governance becomes cold. Without hope, communication becomes mechanical. And without hope, leadership simply becomes another obligation. Hope is what makes all of this human. It takes hope to speak calmly when someone else is angry. It takes hope to build systems that no one notices until they save a disaster. It takes hope to believe a program is worth fighting for when the loudest voices are the negative ones. Every positive change that we've talked about for 3 weeks now, alignment, communication, governance, volunteers, all of it rests on the belief that tomorrow can be better than today. That belief, that's leadership. So here's your challenge for today. And it might be the simplest one yet. Say out loud to yourself, to your teams, to your kids, to your coworkers, we're getting better. Even if it is messy, even if you are tired, even if you haven't seen the payoff yet. Because hope is contagious, and exhausted people don't need motivation. They need belief. They need someone who sees a future that they just can't yet feel. And you can be that person. I see the directors who drive home in silence, wondering if they made a difference this week. I see the parents who feel unseen, even after giving everything that they had. I see the volunteers who give and wonder if anyone even knows that they're there. I see the leaders who are tired of holding up the room, and I want you all to hear this. Directors, parents, volunteers, and leaders. If no one has thanked you this week, thank you. Your work is not invisible. Your heart is not wasted. Your leadership isn't for nothing. The culture you're building today creates a childhood someone will remember forever. That matters. Culture matters. So as you walk into this Friday, carry this with you. Hope is not a wish. Hope is a decision. A decision to believe the work is worth it. A decision to keep showing up. A decision to lead with heart and not hardness. Next week, week 4 begins. And now the rebuild becomes momentum. But for today, finish your coffee. Exhale the week. Let your shoulders drop. You're not just supporting a program, you're building a better culture than the one that you inherited. Because together, we are building culture. One morning, one act of belief, and one rest stop at a time.